Hey guys, Amir here, and today we have a really quick unedited unboxing from Cubelelo. And I can't edit it because my PC is dead. So from next video onwards, I'll probably be editing it with my mic setup. So yeah, I got this cube as a prize for coming second in 3x3 at Speed Cubing Unlock 3.0. So inside the box we have a gift card. Thank you for shopping at us. Also, thank you for Cubelelo for sponsoring this video. Please check them out. Here we have a receipt, I'm pretty sure, so I'm not going to open that. And the cube itself. It's a Valk 4M with strong magnets. So the current Valk 4 I have has weak magnets. So I'm kind of excited to try this out. So yeah. So how do we get this open? I'm gonna open this up and be right back. So yeah, now that the box is all opened up, let's check this stuff out. So yeah, I'm gonna have to use some hand sanitizer after this because I have to take precautions because of Corona. So I think I kind of messed up the box, but still, that's okay. Now we have the cube itself, and we have some accessories which I'm gonna check out right now. I haven't done a Valk 4 unboxing before on my channel, so I think I should cover everything. So let's keep that on the side. So first we have a few random pamphlets, cards, all sorts of stuff. Yup, not really useful. And a cloth for the cube, doesn't really matter. And we have a pair of springs, which I don't know what these do, but I'll probably do some research on that. And now for the cube itself, I'm gonna zoom in a bit. So yeah, here's the cube itself. Let's quickly open it up. Plastic wrap. And off the surface, it looks pretty dry. There's no lube on the outside. So let's do some first turns. Pretty dry out of the box. It's actually much faster than I expected for a cube with strong magnets. And yeah, I really like the size right now. The current 4x4 I use is the Wuchue, which is much bigger, and this is the perfect size for me. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this right now actually. So I'm gonna do one solve real quick. It's pretty locky right now, but I think that's gonna get better with setup. Anyways, after the first solve, I think this cube has some great potential and I'm really excited to check it out. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.